Hello everybody and welcome back to another tour. My name is Ernest and I'd like to say a big thank you to my friend who works at Air Canada for inviting me to the Air Canada Airbus A220-300 Employee Plus Friends and Family event held at the Air Canada hangars at Toronto Pearson International Airport just a few days ago. This is the third event after the main official unveil was held in Montreal in mid-January, and another Employee Plus Friends and Family event was held at Vancouver not too long ago as well. The tour will be of the second Airbus A220-300 in the fleet. This is Charlie Golf Juliet X-Ray Echo Fin 102, which was delivered a few days ago as well. The aircraft, as most of you undoubtedly know, is also formerly known as the Bombardier C-Series 300 before Bombardier sold it to Airbus in July of 2018, along with the finalized 50.1% majority stake in the program. Air Canada so far has 2 aircraft delivered at the time of recording this video and plan to have a total of 45 in the next coming years to replace the Embraer E-190 that will be retired by the end of 2020. And the current routes at the time of recording this video are daily Montreal to Calgary service and weekend service between Montreal and Toronto. Alrighty, time to climb on board this aircraft and see what she is made of.
Here you got the window heat, and then this is the primary flight controls. So this is what flies the aircraft. They're very important computers. And then I go down here, then I get on my hydraulic panel, so all hydraulics, 3 systems.
What a cool looking cockpit if I've got to say so. Fortunately, we were able to take a look at that for a couple of brief seconds. Anyways, moving on to the business class. Here we've got 12 seats in a 2x2 configuration with adjustable headrests, guaranteed window and aisle access, and an ample amount of legroom. Here you will see the seats feature a Panasonic in-flight entertainment system with content available in 15 languages, featuring well over 1,000 hours of high-quality entertainment, including content from Bell Media's entertainment service, known as Crave, and Montreal-based audio service, known as Stingray. The system also allows closed captioning for the deaf and is accessible for the visually impaired. And of course, high-speed Wi-Fi access is also available on the flight.
Huh? Alex! You can't fly it right now. Mama. Yeah?
Yeah. Whoa, look at this.
And for those who haven't noticed yet, the windows are absolutely massive. There's my hand for comparison.
Can I get a picture of you guys sitting here?
Can you take a picture of the Untitled?
I'll be in the back. That's a slider forward.
Many of the seats as well in the business class section don't have the foldable tray tables from up front, so they've got the side tray tables equipped as well, which I find is a pretty cool feature.
Nice. Tab underneath? Nope. Usually there's a tab that stands over there.
Okay. Nice. That's cool, and it just rolls away.
Do you want to lean back? Lean back.
Same way.
Slide it down. Or push it in.
Oh, we will.
I think these also come up, eh?
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's kind of hot in here.
Now moving on to economy class. 125 seats are featured here in a 3x2 configuration, with 19-inch wide seats making it the widest economy seat in Air Canada's fleet, featuring adjustable headrests, in-seat power for laptops, and USB ports as well for charging, as we saw in business class, also featured here in economy class. This aircraft also features the largest overhead storage bins for an aircraft of this size. There is also mood lighting as well that is customizable to provide an ambient atmosphere and to reduce fatigue on the flight for the passengers. And as you guys will see, if I haven't already mentioned yet, I'm 6 foot and I did take a look at a lot of the different seats and no issues with legroom at all whatsoever.
The one is near the emergency exit. See the green sign over here? That's an emergency exit. They usually have a wider space.
I figured it out.
What also blew me away was the amount of legroom that is located at the emergency exits. Whoever is fortunate enough to sit in this row of seats is pretty lucky in my personal opinion.
Now the rails
I should get back.
And that's all from me for this video. As we finish up the tour of Air Canada's Airbus A220-300, once again a big thank you to my friend at Air Canada for the invite, and I'm really looking forward to flying on this plane in the near future. Already kind of envious of some of my friends who got to fly on it just a couple of weeks ago. Anyways, thanks for watching the video, hopefully you all enjoyed it, and remember, fuel the passion for aviation, keep living the dream, and I'll catch you all later.
Oh, sorry.